Okay, guys, here we are, because you love them so much. Another Transformers review. This time, I'm going to be reviewing Cybertron Red Alert and Cybertron, oh man, the pirate cousin of Red Alert. His name escapes me now. Alright. So, this figure is going to see a re-release this year. It's going to be repainted as he's going to be repainted as another figure for later this year. So I'm going to review this figure, which is the same mode. These two guys belong to the Cybertron line, and this guy's a repaint. He was sold later in a 2-pack with Excellion. It was a Walmart exclusive for $15. I managed to get one off the website, off of Walmart.com. Cannonball, like a pirate. Arr. Cannonball has these decos on the side. It's a skeleton. Arr. The same skeleton on the other side. Arr. And the skeleton with hair. Arr. And this is Red Alert. Red Alert is now an emergency vehicle. So he has these lights on the top, but his head sticks out. A lot of people are annoyed with that. The figures roll freely. And this is the bottom part, bottom half. So you can hardly see any of the robot parts in this mode. Alright, so let's go with the transformation. I'm going to transform Red Alert first, since he was made first. First, you bring the hood down like this, and then these are going to become the feet, the front part of the feet. Bring them down like that. His toes are here. Take them out. And this part, the back part, let me see. When I was into Cybertron, I got my own mode of transforming these guys. You have to bring out the arms. That's the Cyber Key Gimmick. Alright, so take that down like that. Disconnect this. And then take out his toes, his back toes. And turn these wheels in. So then the front part of the foot and the back part of the foot join together here, and they click. See? So his feet are done. This part you keep separate from the back until you take these out. The door hoods, the doors, you have to put them straight. See? There's this joint here. Have to make it straight. See on this side? Just pull it out like that. And then the arms, just swing them out. And then make them Put them parallel. I got 3 of these figures, and sadly it looks like I took the tight one out. I'm sure when I transform Cannonball he's not going to be as difficult. These are like waist guards. Just bring them down. And the back, just fold it in like that. Then the head, you pull out. The hand, bring down like that. The medical hand, down like that. The head moves. The arms move up and down on a ball joint. A lot of people don't like Red Alert. I like this mode. I like the chest design and the little skirt thingies and the RoboCop look, looking for me, and the gun for an arm, for a hand. He has a Cyberplanet key gimmick. This is Storm Surge's Cyberplanet key. You put it in the back here, and the guns pop out, and they come over to the shoulder. He has a little bit of posability. So you could give him some poses. And since he's a medic, he comes with medical attachments that are hidden here in the hood compartments. You could attach this here. He has a claw. Ching. Clawful. That was clawful. And in his other leg, he has a hammer for hammering. See? This hammer attachment comes here. Hammer time. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Alright, so let me transform Cannonball before time runs out. So alright, bring this down like that. Bring out the toes. Cannonball has it's like a dark chocolate look. I mean color. It's not exactly black. It's like real dark brown. I like Cannonball. I guess it's because of the patch, the eye patch, which I'll show you later. And the fact that he has his tattooed decos on him, and that he's a pirate. Arrgh. See, he comes with the same things too. I'm sure that the repaint is gonna come with them also. The hammer. See, not too tight, Cannonball. Skirt armor, arm, and the head. If you look at his head, he has this part is painted silver, and this part is this color, which is kind of goldish beige. He has a Decepticon insignia because he's a Decepticon. Alright, so when the repaint comes out, pick him up. I command it. He's pretty cool, this figure. Alright, that's my review since time's running out. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hey, don't turn your backs to me. Say bye. Bye.